The majestic mountains of Haiti truly take your breath away. But nestled neatly on a mountain peak in northern Haiti, overlooking the Cap-Haitien harbor, is Haiti's most revered national symbol, the Citadel, the 8th man-made wonder of the world.
It was built in 1805, but it is an incredible feat for an emerging nation.
Here we go.
We traveled in a small plane from Port-au-Prince to see the Citadel. The flight to Cap-Haitien lasted less than an hour.
We made it. We made it.
From the airport, it's about a 7-mile drive to see Haiti's top tourist destination.
The roads in Haiti, whether paved or dirt, are filled with deep potholes after years of neglect.
But before you make your way to see the Citadel, you must first visit the ruins of the Palace of Sans Souci, the once sprawling royal residence of a former slave who crowned himself King of the North, Henry Christophe. A powerful earthquake in 1842 severely damaged much of the palace.
It's beautiful ruins still. It's absolutely beautiful ruins still.
But its glory lives on in the stories of Haitian tour guides.
So oral history says this is a piece of the rooftop, but it just goes to show how ornate, how pretty, how beautiful this palace was.
Yes.
It took 3 years to build this spectacular structure. The palace had a system of waterworks, lavish landscaping with lush gardens, a domed church that was his personal place of worship, and statues with a European touch, which led some historians to call this the Versailles of the Caribbean.
So this was all a garden right here. There was the fountain over there.
In 1820, Christophe committed suicide on the palace grounds. But the fortress he ordered built has lived on as one of the marvels of the world.
Getting to the top of the Citadel is no easy trek. Most people go by horse, which takes about 15 minutes. Others walk, which takes double the amount of time.
Along the way, there's a little bit of entertainment to keep you going.
This is unbelievable.
After about 20 minutes,
Been wanting to make this trip for a long time, and finally getting my chance to do it.
the fortress was built to look like a ship at the beginning of the 19th century in case the French came back to invade the country, but it never had to be used.
There are still 365 cannons located all around the Citadel, positioned exactly as they were more than 200 years ago.
Our tour guide told us the Citadel once attracted thousands of tourists on a weekly basis back in the 1980s and 90s. On this day, we saw less than a dozen. There are dreams tourists will once again return to see the ruins of the Palace of Sans Souci and the brilliance of the Citadel. And when they do, a new visitor center will greet them. New construction for what they hope is a new era in Haiti.
You are terrible.
I can't see.
Oh, turn up the brightness.
It's already up.
Sorry, buddy. You know, some of us destroy zombies and some of us feed them.
How am I supposed to win? Your screen is like as big as my phone.
Not everything's about winning.
I like to win.
You like to whine.
You do.
Share videos instantly. The new Galaxy S3, available at Metro PCS.
Change is a choice. You either stick to the status quo or confront it. We weren't comfortable with how the educational system was working, so we changed it to empower students with real skills to adapt and grow. We've never been satisfied with the way things are, and you shouldn't be either. So, what are you going to change?
Convicted felons that you turn ballots in for?
When I see Jeff, I know that, hey, he's probably got a story that I should listen to.
Questions posted by Local 10's Jeff Weinseer could change the way absentee ballots are turned in.
The reporters have integrity.
It will open up your eyes. It really surprises you.
This was newsworthy of organizations such as 60 Minutes or 2020.
I think that has been a long-standing legacy. Channel 10 has not wavered from its commitment to this community.
There are reasons to have guarded optimism about Haiti forging a better future and how the country is on the path of moving forward. In the Northeast, under mountains of rock, lay the promise of a better tomorrow. Hidden treasures of gold, copper, and silver, said to be worth tens of billions of dollars, are in Haiti's own land. Drilling is now underway to recover the precious metals. The Caribbean nation is attracting foreign investors, led in large part by former President Bill Clinton, also the U.S. Special Envoy to Haiti. In October 2012, along with his wife, Secretary of State Hillary Clinton, they opened an industrial park in northern Haiti.
We have been united behind a single goal: making investments in this country's people and your infrastructure that help put Haiti finally on the path to broad-based economic growth with a more vibrant private sector and less dependence on foreign assistance.
The new $300 million Caracol Industrial Park outside Cap-Haitien has the potential to generate up to 65,000 jobs.
Haiti is open for business, so the Caracol Park represents the infrastructure needed for those investments to come and stay for the long run.
The U.S. invested $124 million in the park, which has its own electricity and water plants and hotel. But Secretary of State Clinton warned it's up to the people and leaders of Haiti to sustain and build on the progress.
It symbolizes a rebirth of Haiti, a Haiti where jobs are being created, Haiti where families and the young people have an opportunity to see a better tomorrow.
Haiti has a large talent pool of young people who want an opportunity, and they don't see the country for what it has been, but for what it can be.
Our greatest asset is human capital. The youth wants to work. You want to make money? Put the youth to work. We should be able to come up with a structure where at least half of the population is working and half of the population is educated. That can't happen without self-independency.
I once read that this nation was the greatest nightmare on earth. Fair to say that used to be the Haiti that we've all come to know. But now, Haitian leaders are writing the final chapters themselves. They're young, bold, and smart, and very ambitious. And they'd very much like the title to read, "We dream big dreams and achieved big goals." They certainly have the will, but the question is, can they finally make a way? I'm Calvin Hughes. Thank you for watching this special report on Haiti. And as they say here in Creole, passez bonne nuit, or have a good night.